how to build a free website with Weebly. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a free website with Weebly. First, log into your Weebly account. Then, once you're in the home page, navigate to the My Site button at the top right corner and click on it. It will then take you to this page wherein you could choose if you want to make a website or a website with an online store. For this tutorial, I'll go with just a website. Then, browse these templates and find one that you prefer. Once you've chosen, just click on it and then tap on the Start Editing button at the top right corner right here. This will open the website editor. Now if you want to connect to a specific domain, then you can connect it through here. But take note that this is a paid service. For this tutorial, I don't need to connect it to a specific domain, so I'm just going to close that window. Now in here, you may start modifying this page according to your liking. You can change the text, themes, photos, texts, titles, etc. You just have to click on this tool at the left side of the screen. Then, once you're done and satisfied, just click on the Publish button at the top right corner and publish your website. And that's how you build a free website with Weebly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!